Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing a bit of a different video. So today I'm going to look at overall crypto market and the BTC price action and where it might be going from now on. So first of all, this is actually some of the technical analysis that I have done on Bitcoin. I will just come at this at the end. So first of all, let's try to see what is happening with other altcoins. So this actually is excluding BTC and ETH, and as you can see here, this chart is pretty interesting. So as of now, the BTC is around at 68k, and if you look at this chart, it is actually down. So that means we are actually, the altcoins are a bit of a struggling as of now, and if we do end up breaking out from here, I think we are most likely going higher. So I think the time for alt is actually coming, but there are a lot of other factors that I will just cover in just a second. So, and this is the total market cap, and if you look here and if you look at the BTC, this market cap actually peaked in March 12th, as you can see. And if you just look at the BTC price, just a second, so it also did peak in March, as you can see. So, and if you look here, we are nowhere near its peak, and BTC is actually doing pretty good. So that means a lot of capital has actually gone into BTC, and alts have overall struggled a lot, as you can see here. So that may not be good for alt, but I think the time for alt will most likely come, and as of now we have broken out from this resistance for the total market cap, and I think we are heading higher. So most likely BTC could be hitting new all-time high soon from the looks of it. Anyways, there is a big problem. We do have a lot of big events coming up. We have IMF meetings, we have US SEC chair Gensler speaks, so that is going to be spicy. As you can see here, it's on 22 October, as you can see here, and we do have election coming up, so that is going to be even more volatile, and I think the crypto market is going to be highly volatile in the next month, or even if you look at in the next, or in the upcoming 15 days. And we do have non-US employment data as well, that does also tends to be a lot more volatile as well. So overall it looks like that overall crypto market is going to be a lot volatile from now on, from the looks of it, at least from my perspective. And if you look at fear and greed index, it is actually at the high rate. I would say 73% is a lot higher. So that means there is a lot of greed in the market. So that could be actually, that may not be good, but still I think it is actually usually what happens is that whenever this actually index is above 80%, I think that is when it becomes dangerous to hold, but as of now it seems like I think it should be okay. Anyways, coming to the BTC, so this is actually the BTC, as you can see here, and I think if we do end up breaking out from this downtrend, as you can see, this is a very strong downtrend in my opinion. So if we do end up breaking out from here, we are most likely going to hit new highs for the BTC, and that is, I think, a very big possibility. But it actually needs to break out from here, and I think it is on the, as you can see here, it could be breaking out soon, but it is hard to say as of now because it has already rejected from here. But I think the volume seems to be strong, and we will most likely go even higher. But if the BTC does ends up going down, I think the first point of entry, or at least the first point of entry that could be pretty interesting, is going to be somewhere around here. So this is just a short-term analysis. So if you're looking for a quick trade, I think this is a possible quick trade that could be pretty good for as of now for the BTC. So just a second, I will draw that. So I think if it does go from down here, we are most likely going to hit this support zone most likely. So around 64k to 63k seems to be pretty interesting. If not, we could be heading lower, even 61k. But if we do end up breaking out from here, what I would like for the BTC to do is that it actually needs to break out from here with a proper volume. and once it does, I think we actually need to retest it again at this trend line, and I think after that we can actually go higher. And I think the first resistance that it is most likely going to face is going to be somewhere around 71k, and if it does break that, I think we are most likely heading higher, and we will be most likely trading around 73k. And if you look at other assets, for example, gold is actually making new highs, as you can see here. So overall I think all of the assets are pretty strong, and BTC is one of the biggest ones. So it could be the time that BTC is most likely going to break out and hit a new high in the October. That is a very much possibility, but we do have a lot of important events coming up, so that is something you may need to keep that in mind if you're looking to trade the BTC. But as for the alts, I think the altcoin are overall not in a good position, and if you look at the alts overall, as you can see here, we don't have that much up. As you can see, we have XRP even going down in the last 30 days, and if you look at Toncoin, that is also not doing good, and it also even lost its top 10 position, as you can see here. But if you look at the Ethereum is doing overall okay, but BTC is doing, of course, pretty good. And when it comes to Solana could be, I think, breaking out soon as well. We even have meme coins, of course. So meme coins are at a very good position as of now. As you can see here, Doge is up 33%, so that is a big move. Even if you look at the SHIB is also up. So as of now, meme coin seems to be pretty strong. And if you look at the SUI, of course, SUI has actually surprised me. I thought it would stop around $1.6, but it is trading above $2, so that is pretty big. And if you look at Juni is actually launching their new their new layer 2 chain, so that could be one of the reasons. Even LTC is actually up a lot. And if you look at Aptos is, I think, following SUI, because both of them are related somehow, so it is also following the SUI as well. Of course, Pepe is doing pretty good, and Tau is doing pretty good as well. But as for others, FAT is not doing that good, which is another massive project. And we have CAS is also not doing that good. Even the security coins, I think, are not doing that good again as well. They are always in trouble for some reason, so that is one of the reasons why they are not doing good. Even Stellar, I think it does follow XRP, so of course it's not doing good. Polygon, I think after their transition to Pol, it has not been that much of a bullish for some reason. And if you look at Immutable Dog with hat, of course the meme coin is doing pretty good. For some reason, Whitebit exchange coin has been growing a lot, so I actually need to look into this as well. So anyways, this was a quick update on a crypto market as well as BTC update. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.